In today's video, I'm going to show you Carlinkit Tbox Ultra review, the shocking truth they're hiding. The Carlinkit Tbox Ultra is a flagship in-car smart box that promises to transform your factory infotainment screen into a full Android-powered system with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Android 15 features, supported by 8GB RAM, up to 256GB storage, and OTA updates for apps and firmware. It's designed to let you run navigation, media apps, streaming services, and hands-free phone functions, all through a self-contained Android box on your dash. Manufacturer specs highlight fast performance and broad compatibility with vehicles that support wired CarPlay or Android Auto. In real-world use, however, the experience is far from flawless. Independent user reviews report noticeable lag in CarPlay responsiveness, prolonged reconnection loops, occasional freezing of maps or music apps, and inconsistent wireless connections, especially with Android Auto, which seems weaker on this device compared with CarPlay. Some owners noted the unit heats up on longer drives, and firmware updates do not always improve stability. Reddit discussions specific to T-Box models, including Ultra and related units, also highlight ongoing issues such as phone call, audio problems, connection drops, and the need for restarts, which suggest that software and hardware compatibility remains spotty for some configurations. Official listings and unboxing videos show the device's capabilities and feature set, but common customer feedback on forums and review sites paints a more mixed picture, with performance heavily dependent on car model, phone, and firmware version. Trustpilot reviews for Carlinkit include both satisfied users and complaints of freezing, signal loss, and frustrating support experiences, particularly when purchased through third-party sellers rather than the official store. In summary, the Carlinkit Tbox Ultra is legitimate hardware that works as advertised in many scenarios. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.